My name is Hector Marin. I am 35 years old. I am from Cali, Colombia. I live with my wife and my children in Cali. I am administrative assistant. I am studying public accounting. My hobby is play drums. My favorite show uh, is the praise of history. My favorite sport is football. My family is my wife, my daughter, uh, and my son. My wife is Angela Moreno. She is 33 years old. She is system engineer. She is from Cali. She is medium hair and medium weight. Her eyes are green and she's brown hair. My daughter is Daniela Marin. She is 11 years old. She is a student. She is from Cali. My daughter is short. Her eyes are brown and she has brown hair. My son is Alejandro Marin. He is 1 year old. He is baby. He is from Cali. My son is chubby. His eyes are green and it has brown eyes. My children are very intelligent.